Everyone looks confident on the outside, but inside most people are tired, distracted, and mentally weak. They start things and quit. They overthink everything. They lose focus after a few minutes, and slowly they start believing they are not strong enough. But what if the problem is not your life, it's your mindset? A strong mind doesn't mean to no stress. It means control when everything feels out of control. It means discipline when you feel lazy. It means staying calm when pressure hits. Right now, there are people with less talent than you, but stronger minds, and that's why they are winning. The truth is simpler. Mental strength is not something you are born with, it's something you train. And today, that training starts. If you want no more weakness, you need daily habits that builds mental power. Habit 1. Do hard things on purpose. Take cold showers, wake up when you don't feel like it, finish what you start. Every time you do something hard, your mind gets stronger. Habit 2. Control your thoughts. Stop believing every negative thought. Just because your mind says, I can't, doesn't mean it's true. Strong people don't have fewer negative thoughts, they just don't obey them. Habit 3. Remove distraction. Weak minds chase dopamine. Strong minds chase goals. Less scrolling, more building, more focus. Habit 4. Keep promises to yourself. When you say, I'll do it, do it. Self respect grows when you trust yourself. Habit 5. Stay consistent. Mental strength is not built in one day, it's built when you show up, even when you don't feel motivated. You don't need a perfect life, you need a stronger mind. Start small, stay disciplined. Train daily. One day you will wake up and realize you are not the weak version of yourself anymore. No more weakness, only growth.